I feel like I keep saying the same thing every day, and the market's just not listening to me. And I wish it would start paying attention to the signals that it's giving and following through on them. It's just, sometimes it seems like it doesn't want to do what it's supposed to do, or something like that. I just walked through the Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq, the S&P 100, 500, the S&P 100, and the Dow Industrial, and they all seem to be bouncing up against a resistance level and forming a MACD divergence, a very slight divergence, but a divergence all the same. And after many stocks have run up, some have run up 30, I've seen some run up 50%. It doesn't seem like they should continue to go up after that. There should be profit taking. Buying into this is extremely risky. Selling into it, shorting it seems to have less risk. The problem is that when you're shorting into something that is on an upward path, you usually you have to deal with fighting the trend, is basically what it is. So I'm fighting the trend right now, and I'm hoping for a pullback so that I can look for a continuation signal and get in with the upward trend after this. I'm thinking that we'll have a bit of a rally here, a bull rally, coming into December, to give everybody some hope. But I'm not sure really how long it's going to last. There's just a lot of negativity out there and a lot of problems out in the market that have to be dealt with. I did get into some new positions this morning, based on my theory that things have to come back. I got into a position on a rig. It's basically flat at this point in time on me. I waited for it to bounce back up higher, and then I shorted it. They came out with earnings this morning. So nothing spectacular that moved the market drastically. It's just like all the others. It seems to be forming a divergence on the hourly and has an upward trend. The other position I got into was Monsanto. Same story. My position on potash is going against me right now. I'm not sure why. It's fluttering around my stop loss, which doesn't make me too happy. So I'm watching that. I kept my position on AT&T against my better judgment, and it's pulled back around 28, and it's just kind of hanging out there right now. Again, my premise is that we're going down, so I'm just kind of holding on to them, and we'll see. If something bad happens, I'll be hit with a 1 or 2% loss overall. It won't be my happiest day of trading, but it's what you have to deal with occasionally.